You've polished your portfolio, you're posting on LinkedIn, you've even tried cold DMing people, and still you have 0 clients. At this point, you're probably wondering, am I even good enough to be a virtual assistant? Newsflash, the real reason you can't find clients has nothing to do with your skills. It's because you're probably making these 3 mistakes. Mistake number 1, you are invisible to your dream clients. Simply posting things like, hey, I'm a VA, hire me, is like whispering into a hurricane. Your ideal clients aren't going to hear you. They're not going to see you. They don't even know you exist because you are not speaking their language. So let's take a look at a very weak posting online. I more often than not see brand new VAs put this on all of their social media, and it makes me so sad because it's not doing anything for your business and it's not communicating to your clients why you're a great VA. So most people will simply say, hi, I'm a VA who does admin and social media. DM me. That's not going to get you anywhere. Whereas a more irresistible post might look something like this. Overwhelmed e-commerce owners, what if you could offload 10 hours a week plus customer service? I do this for clients, ask me how. The first example I gave you screams, I'm a commodity. Whereas the second post that I gave you screams, hey clients, I solve all your pain points. And get this, a recent HubSpot report says that 87% of clients choose service providers who address their exact problems first. So it's really important that you get rid of the vague messaging and you get really specific into the things that your ideal and dream clients are struggling with. If you are continually pitching your services on places like Fiverr or Facebook groups, you are competing with hundreds, if not thousands of other VAs, and the likelihood of your dream clients being on those platforms is slim to none. If you are marketing your services on platforms where your dream clients actually don't hang out, you are fishing in an empty pond, my friend. For example, if your target audience are CEOs, they're probably on LinkedIn. They're probably not on TikTok or Instagram. I want you to stop begging for scraps and go to the places where your dream clients are looking for help. Mistake number 3, you're not giving your clients a hell yes offer. It could be that the services you're advertising are simply too vague. If you simply say things like, I offer social media management, what exactly does that mean? I've whipped up 2 side-by-side fake websites for you. Now, which website do you think clients will flock towards and which do you think clients will ignore? Simply listing your services as social media management doesn't really tell your clients anything about you, your business, how you work, your workflows, how many posts they get, what's the benefit from them, what are you actually doing? We need to instead be way more specific. Now, copy like this, the done-for-you LinkedIn lead generation. This is already doing much more than simply social media management. An ideal client who already knows that they try to get clients on LinkedIn through lead generation, they're going to automatically look more seriously at your services because they'll think, I need someone to help me with that outreach. By being more specific about who your dream clients are in your marketing, you're going to do 2 things. You're going to attract your dream clients because they're going to be like, I'm a business-to-business coach. I need this VA in my life. And you're also going to weed out bad fits. Let's say, for example, that you have 0 interest in working with tech startups. A tech startup is not going to reach out to you because the chances that they think that they align with the same coaches is slim to none. Those are the 3 mistakes that you might be making, but how do we actually fix them? First, we're going to rewrite your messaging so that it acts like a magnet for your ideal clients. Right now, I want you to open a document and answer these 3 questions. Whoop. You need to know who you are, which is pretty much your title. You're a virtual assistant, and if you specialize in anything, you want to add that. So I could say, I'm a virtual assistant coach, okay? The next question you want to answer is, who is your dream client? And this is your chance to really get specific, just like the previous example we had about helping B2B coaches. You need to include who your dream client is so that they know, without a question, you are speaking directly to them and that you help people like them. And then the third question I want you to answer is, what is your solution as a VA? How do you make their lives easier? Now, as you work on your own formula, here's what it might look like. So this is just an example. You're a virtual assistant that answers the who you are. You help B2B coaches that is very clear about the clients that you serve. And your solution that only you provide is that you could reach 20 new leads on your client's behalf. So this is just one simple example of how you could rewrite who you are, communicate your services in a way that more clearly communicates directly to your client. So it's your turn now to work on filling out that formula, that template. And I want you to rewrite your headline in your LinkedIn bio. I want you to put that new sentence on your website, and I want you to include it on any cold pitches that you might send out to potential clients. And then what I would love for you to do is share that in the comments below so we can all take a look at the formula you're writing. I can help you critique it if need be or give you feedback. Let me know how this experiment works this week, and thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you on next week's video.